In this video, I will be showing how to deploy semantic models between workspaces with different parameters. First, let's go into our Power BI Dev workspace and open up the semantic model settings to see what the parameter looks like. Currently, the semantic model points to our dev database, but we want to update that to our prod database when deploying to prod. In Soterre, we will add a deployment plan to our project by clicking the Add Deployment Plan button. Then set the name, target environment, and target container, in this case our prod workspace. For now, we'll leave user mapping and deployment options at their defaults. And the final screen here is where we'll set the semantic model post-deployment actions. In this case, we want to set server name to our prod database. Finally, we'll finish editing the pipeline and save the deployment plan. In this video, I will select the semantic model that I showed at the beginning. However, you could select any number of semantic models to deploy. Select the deployment plan we created earlier and click through the rest of the wizard. Once the deployment is complete, we can go back to Power BI and check our prod workspace to verify that the parameter is updated on the semantic model.